Hello and welcome to third week of deep core and pelvic floor exercises. First, we will do a warm-up to prepare the core area for work. Lie on your back, palms down along your body. Pay attention to the stomach and all the area around. Then you exhale, imagine that the corset is being tied on you. Now you can start the warm-up with me while I'm explaining all the details. We'll bend one leg, next we will inhale and on exhaling slide your heel on the mat, making a slow exhalation with your mouth as if through a tube. When you bend your knee again, take a calm breath and relax your stomach. Long exhale and short inhale. Try to feel this feeling as if you are being pulled from all sides. Let's change sides. I remind you, the illusion of a corset, all attention to the stomach, slowly down and a bit quicker up. Press your heel into the floor while you lower your foot down. Now for the exercise. We're gonna do modified version of bird dog exercise with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Keep your core and back engaged. Please do not arch your lower back. Extend your right leg behind you. At the same time, reach your left arm out in front, parallel to the ground. Then you come back to all fours and then perform the opening of the chest, arm up, in the amplitude in which you feel comfortable. When you extend your arm and leg, you can reach either down or parallel to the floor. And please keep your core engaged so that you don't lose your balance. Repeat on the other side. We're gonna do this exercise 20 reps each side, 3 to 5 circles. When you extend your leg and your arm, you do exhale, and when you open your chest, you do inhale. If you're still losing your balance and finding it hard to do leg and arm extension at the same time, you can try change arm to leg and do one after another. Do this exercise every single day from Monday to Sunday, or if you joined later, just 7 days, and on Monday I will give you a new helpful exercise for your deep core and pelvic floor.